Is your keyboard not working when connected to your Lenovo docking station, or are your USB ports unresponsive? These are common problems with Lenovo docking stations. The primary causes are usually driver problems, firmware bugs, or simple connection issues. First, ensure all cables are securely connected between the dock, laptop, and peripherals. Unplug and replug everything, including the power cable to the dock. This simple step can resolve many connectivity issues by ensuring proper physical connections. Next, update your Lenovo drivers using the Lenovo Vantage app. This tool will automatically scan for and install the latest drivers for your dock and laptop. Pay special attention to drivers for the System Interface Foundation and USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, as these are often the source of keyboard and USB connectivity issues. If a simple driver update doesn't work, consider a firmware update for your docking station. You can find these updates on Lenovo's support website by searching for your specific dock model. Firmware updates address bugs that can cause keyboard detection failures and USB port issues. Finally, reboot your system after all updates are installed. This ensures that all changes take effect and can resolve any lingering issues from the updates. These initial steps resolve most common connectivity issues with Lenovo docking stations. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, dig deeper into compatibility, power settings, and firmware. First, confirm your operating system and BIOS are compatible with the dock. Next, examine power management settings. USB ports may fail due to insufficient power allocation. For Thunderbolt docks, ensure you are using the correct cables, as mismatched cables can cause keyboard lag. Finally, focus on firmware updates, as this is where most fixes are implemented. Check Lenovo's support site for hot fixes, especially after Windows updates.